Hello everyone, I'm Akshara Kalakonda from Bournemouth. I have joined Q Spiders on September 29 through online classes. That is through my friends. They have suggested me to join this institute. Really, this is the best institute and it's the best platform that provides you many opportunities to prove your skills. Before joining Q Spiders, though I'm theoretically good, which I learned from my college, but I'm not so confident to keep those concepts practically. Coming to the after joining Q Spiders, I became so confident and really HR's staff and also the trainers will support you very much. Even though if you are not from a CSE background, they'll let you know everything in detail like a newborn baby. They'll explain you everything. When a baby borns, they'll not know anything like how they have to behave. Parents will spoon feed them. In the same way, when you join the institute, even if you are from ECE, mechanical, trainers will definitely help you. They'll really spoon feed you with the concepts and they'll help you a lot in each and every matter. If you have any doubt in any concepts, they're ready to explain you thousand and a million times. If you want also, they're ready to explain. And really a special thanks to Tarun sir, Vivek sir, Gauri sir, Pranay sir, and Swati ma'am, and Sandhya ma'am, and Sai sir, and Ishwar sir, and Lakshman sir. Really, everyone were very friendly and supportive. And I'm from CSE background. Though I'm from CSE background, I'm not so confident in programming. So after joining this institute only, I became so confident and perfect technically, like how to analyze the programs, how to analyze the concepts. I have learned only from this institute. I suggest my juniors or freshers who are going to join this institute, really this will be very benefit for you. Most of the members will definitely get placed whoever join in this institute. But one thing that depends on ourselves, if you are confident enough to attend the interviews and if you're confident enough in the concepts, then definitely you'll get placed and no one will stop you if you're confident enough in the subject. Thank you. And I also suggest freshers or whoever join newly to attend mocks daily or regularly and give presentations regularly, so that definitely you can improve your communications, and that will also help you to learn or the concepts very clearly. If you give presentations, no need of preparing it before the interview. You can just analyze those things while you are explaining to others. And one more thing is, if you explain or give presentation to others, you'll definitely will not forget the concepts and you'll get more doubts. If you get more doubts, you'll be much clear in the concepts. This will be much helpful. So you should never ever forget to give the presentations. And one more thing is mock. If you give the mock, definitely you will analyze or you'll understand how to behave in the interview. It will be similar to the interview, like whatever the questions will be asked in the interview, that will be in that pattern. Trainers will ask you those things, so that you'll get practice how to behave in the interviews and how to answer the questions to the interviews. Thank you.